Hello class and welcome to week 11 of ACLT 053 online. For this week in ACLT 053, you will find that you'll be doing the assignment a little bit earlier before the weekend. That is because of spring break coming up later in the week, at the end of the week I should say. For this week in ACLT 053, you will be working out of the CRJS Week 4 discussion board post. For this post, you will be responding to the completed peer review that you've done in English 101 later in the week. So you do have to write a 1 to 2 paragraph proposal of the essay that you've written in English 101. It's going to be proposal on the purpose and an analysis of the common readings that you've done. So questions like, what is your topic? What did you choose it? Hello class and welcome to week 11 of ACLT 053 online. For this week in ACLT 053 online, your assignment will be due a day before the normal schedule because of spring break. So at the end of the week, you will be working out of the CRJS Week 4 discussion board post where you're going to present an essay proposal and common readings proposal based on the essay that you've done in English 101. So based on the essay you've done in English 101 and that you're getting peer reviewed on later in the week, I want you to write a 1 to 2 paragraph proposal of your essay's purpose and an analysis of the common readings. So you'll be answering questions such as what is your topic, why did you choose it, who's your audience, which sources from the common readings will you need, and what information do you need to find in your own experience or research to support your ideas. And so in about 1 to 2 organized paragraphs, you will list that. You'll make sure to have a works cited page and make sure to respond to at least 2 other students' posts as well. Also, you will be doing the blog post at the end of the week. And the blog post by now should be very familiar to you. You're going to be talking about how you've connected, extended, or challenged what you've learned about in the readings and in the writing that you've done for this essay. So the discussion board post and the blog post are both due at the end of the week before spring break, so please look at the calendar to see when they're due. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.